OSM, Operating System for Manufacturing, helps you in entire business development, growth, and sustenance. It starts helping you to develop new business, in which its module NBD guides you as to how to identify potential customers, identify potential products, do their risk and relevance study, check up their business potential, do the product costing, do the technical study, prepare a techno-commercial offer TCO, present it to the customer, and try to convert it into an order. Once the order have been decided, the product has been identified, the second module of OSM, which is NPD, New Product Development, takes over. This module starts by doing function study as well as creating a bill of material BOM. With the function study, it creates a design validation plan DVP, and along with the bill of material, it conducts a quality function deployment QFD, which further helps in working on the design FMEA. All the potential pitfalls or risks involved of the quality parameters are considered here. Control plans, process flowcharts, decision to make or buy, indenting for bought out items, indenting for drawings, creation of drawings, indenting for tools, the tool designs, then the manufacturing of tools, trials, verification activities, and product validation. They are all a part of the NPD module. It also keeps a close watch on the cost of development as well as the product cost. Once the product is developed and validated, the same data which was created during product development stage is used by the manufacturing team. The data is controlled by PLM department, which is Product Life Management, which is also a separate module in OSM, wherein the material used for each child part, the machines, cycle time, quality checks, patrol cards, inspection parameters, finishing, plating thickness, everything is defined. RM yield and the scrap generated is also documented. Once the product is in production, another module of OSM, which is manufacturing, takes charge. It includes issuing material on assembly work orders, plating work orders, press shop work orders, production work orders, ensuring accountability of material that is issued, monitoring the cycle times, monitoring the output, checking up the effectiveness and efficiency of the processes and individuals, and creating identification and traceability for the material on shop floor. Once the material is manufactured, it goes through quality checks, which are through incoming goods inspection IGI, or patrol inspection, or in-process inspection, or finished goods inspection FGI, and before being dispatched to the customer, it goes through PDI, pre-dispatch inspection. All these things are covered under different modules of OSM. There is a module for incoming goods inspection, where the material coming from suppliers is inspected, as well as material which is made in-house via production shops is also inspected. The IGI is linked with the purchase module of OSM, wherein only those items can be inspected which have been ordered and scheduled. The purchase controls the source and gives approval to the product. A product or raw material can be brought only from approved suppliers. After incoming inspection, which is based on predefined acceptance criteria, another module of OSM, which is stores and inventory, comes in. As soon as the material is inspected, it is deemed to be taken in the stores and the stocks get updated. The account module gets initiated. Once the material is accepted from the vendor or supplier, the purchase voucher PV is generated and the cycle for the payment terms of the supplier based on his credit period is initiated. Relevant GST data also gets updated. Similarly, when the finished product is made and sent to the finished goods store, it is available to be sent to the customer. The customer's sale invoice also triggers an accounts entry and ensures proper follow-up with the customer where the payment is received within the credit period specified for the customer. Finished goods stock are updated automatically and stocks at various levels, the finished goods, work in progress, raw materials are all auto-controlled in real time. The sales module of OSM does all the sales-related activities which include sending quotations, performer invoices and then booking the orders. Based on the orders booked, sales forecasts and minimum stock levels, the MPC module of OSM is run wherein entire material planning, machine planning, manpower planning is done on the click of a button. This planning is subsequently converted into material indents, production schedules and Gantt charts. The material indents are also auto-communicated to the suppliers through email as well as the supplier portal. Each supplier's quality and delivery performance is monitored based on these schedules. Then the different aspects of OSM in which a company can easily adopt TPM, total productive maintenance. All the machines in the company are listed. Each machine's preventative maintenance schedule is created. History card is created, record of breakdown and ideal time is maintained, which helps us later understand the capacity of the plant. Another module is for HR and payroll. The system automatically runs through processes wherein data is self-collected, attendance registers are self-created, leaves are self-adjusted, overtimes are self-calculated, and a monthly payroll is self-created in just 4 clicks. The HR module works from recruitment to training to creating an accountability to assessment PMS of people. Another module is for monitoring EHS, Environment, Health and Safety and Legal Compliance. It defines all the activities to be performed, assigns responsibility to individuals and monitors to see that responsibilities have been fulfilled within the specified time period. Then we have another module for asset management which helps in maintaining the assets of the company. Annual asset verification, calculation of individual depreciation, written down value, and printing of bar-coded identification labels are part of this module. These barcode labels can then be scanned by a mobile app and all the asset details can be audited or viewed. Further, the entire machines of the plant can be connected using the PCMD, Process Control and Monitoring Device, which has been developed by us and works on the OSM. The relevant data from each machine in terms of cycle time or the number of pieces being made, count, or some specific data like temperature, voltage, current, vibration, movement can be captured and sent via internet or intranet to the edge or cloud storage. Subsequently, this data is converted into useful information and can be accessed by management or downline user. This creates an Industry 4.0 environment. They all can be visible to the management or anybody who is concerned from anywhere across the world. Some other modules available in OSM include document control, tool room, dashboard, and visitor control. OSM also offers portals to connect employees, customers, and suppliers.